Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to view archived apps on Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to view archived apps on Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the manage and apps device option available for us just up below your Google account over here. Tap on manage apps and devices, and you land over here where at the top of the screen you can see there's the overview and the manage button available for us. We'll be required to go to the manage section, so let's tap on the manage. And when you land over here at the top of the list or the on top of the screen, you can see these options where it says this device update available and games. Swipe these options to the left totally, and you can find the archived button over here. Tap on archived, and all of your archived apps on your Play Store will be available over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to view all of your archived apps on Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.